Dabba Cartel, a tale of ambition, crime, and female empowerment. Dabba Cartel, Netflix's latest Indian original series, delves into the lives of five middle-class housewives who inadvertently find themselves at the helm of a clandestine drug operation, all while managing a seemingly innocuous tiffin service. Directed by Hitesh Bhatia, the series boasts a stellar ensemble cast, including veterans like Shabana Azmi and Jyotika, alongside Nimisha Sajayan, Shalini Pandey, and Anjali Anand. Set against the bustling backdrop of Mumbai, Dabba Cartel attempts to weave a narrative that combines crime, ambition, and the complexities of female camaraderie. The plot centers on five housewives who, in their quest for financial independence and empowerment, start a Dabba tiffin service. What begins as a simple entrepreneurial venture soon spirals into the murky waters of the drug trade, as they find themselves running a covert drug cartel. As their operation expands, they grapple with challenges from law enforcement, underworld rivals, and the moral dilemmas of their double lives. The series explores themes of ambition, betrayal, and the lengths to which individuals will go to secure a better future for themselves and their families. Shabana Azmi delivers a powerful performance, embodying the resilience and determination of a woman leading a double life. Her portrayal adds depth to the narrative, capturing the nuances of a character torn between societal expectations and personal ambition. Jyotika shines in her role, bringing a blend of vulnerability and strength that resonates with the audience. Nimisha Sajayan, Shalini Pandey, and Anjali Anand each contribute significantly, portraying the complexities of their characters with authenticity. Their camaraderie on screen is palpable, adding layers to the storytelling. Visually, Dabba Cartel captures the essence of Mumbai, from its bustling streets to the intimate corners of middle-class households. The cinematography effectively contrasts the ordinary lives of the protagonists with the perilous world they become entangled in. The background score complements the narrative, heightening moments of tension and drama. However, while the series excels in technical aspects, it occasionally falters in pacing, with certain episodes dragging, potentially testing the viewer's patience. The writing attempts to balance the thrill of crime with the emotional depth of personal relationships. While the premise is intriguing, the execution sometimes lacks the sharpness required for a gripping crime drama. Some plot developments feel predictable, and certain character arcs could have been explored more thoroughly. The series draws inevitable comparisons to international crime dramas, but it carves its niche by focusing on the unique cultural and societal dynamics of its setting. Audience reactions have been mixed. Some viewers praise the series for its engaging storyline and strong performances, particularly highlighting the ensemble cast's chemistry. One viewer remarked, "It's the show of the year. Compelling writing, storytelling, powerful cast, brilliant acting, it's fast-paced and an edge-of-the-seat series you've been longing for." However, others feel that despite the strong cast and engaging music, Dabba Cartel ultimately falls flat, lacking the gripping storytelling and character depth needed to make it an engaging watch. In conclusion, Dabba Cartel is an ambitious series that offers a fresh perspective on the crime genre by placing middle-class housewives at its core. While it boasts commendable performances and captures the essence of Mumbai, it struggles with pacing and narrative depth. Nevertheless, it provides an engaging watch for those interested in stories of female empowerment, intertwined with crime and drama.
Hope you like the video. See you with another interesting video. Bye then, signing off from Black and Blank.